fun.
Hey guys, today we'll be seeing integers for grade 6.
What is integers? We know that in numbers, when a smaller whole number is subtracted from a larger one, we get a whole number. This whole number has a minus at its beginning. Thus, the collection of numbers together with whole numbers, such as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5, and so on. These numbers are called as integers. There are two types of integers, positive integers and negative integers. Positive integers, numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, are positive integers. They start with a plus sign. Negative integers, numbers such as 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and so on, are negative integers. They start with a minus sign.
Points to remember. 0 is an integer without any sign. Minus 1 is the largest negative integer. 0 is less than every positive integer since 0 is to the left of every positive integer. 0 is greater than every negative integer since 0 is to the right of every negative integer. Every positive integer is greater than every negative integer since every positive integer is to the right of every negative integer. The greater the number, the lesser is its opposite.
Representation of integers on the number line. Integer number line. 0 is at the middle of integer number line. 0 is neither positive nor negative. The numbers which are to the right of 0 are positive integers. 1, 2, 3, 4 are positive integers in this number line. Numbers to the left of 0 are negative integers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 are negative integers in this number line.
Using the number line, write the integer which is 1. 3 more than minus 1. To get 3 more than minus 1, start from minus 1 and then move 3 units to the right of minus 1 to get 2. Therefore, 3 more than minus 1 is 2. 5 less than 2. To get 5 less than 2, start from 2 and then move 5 units to the left of 5 to get minus 3. Therefore, 5 more than 2 is minus 3. 5 more than minus 9. To get 5 more than minus 9, start from minus 9 and then move minus 9 units to the right of minus 9 to get minus 4. Therefore, 5 more than minus 9 is minus 4.
Absolute value of an integer. The absolute value of an integer is the numerical value of the integer, regardless of which sign. The symbol of the symbol of the absolute value is to vertical lines surrounding the number. For example, the absolute value of minus 7 is written as this is 7. The absolute value of 5 is written as this is 5. The absolute value of 0 is 0.
Addition of integers on number line. Let us add minus 3 and minus 5 on the number line. On the number line, we first move 3 steps to the left of reaching 0, to the left of 0, reaching minus 3, and then we move 5 steps to the left of minus 3 and reach minus 8. Thus, minus 3 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 8. Try to add plus 5 and minus 3 on the number line at your home.
Rules for addition of integers. If the first number and second number are plus, the operation is to add both of them, and the sign is plus. If both the first number and second number is minus, the operation would add both of them and put a minus sign at its beginning. If the first number is plus and the second number is minus, you need to subtract both of them and put the sign of the greater numerical value at the beginning. If the first number is minus and the second number is plus, you need to subtract both of them and put the sign of the greater numerical value at the beginning.
Addition of 3 or more integers. Addition of 3 or more integers can be separated into two methods. Method 1. Group all the integers under plus or minus. Then perform the required operation. Example 1. Minus 56 is plus 46 plus 100 is equal to plus 46 plus 100 plus minus 56 is equal to 146 plus minus 56 is equal to 90. Method 2. Left to right. Example 1. Minus 56 plus 46 plus 100 is equal to minus 10 plus 100 is equal to 90.
Properties of addition and integers. Closure property of addition. The sum of two integers is always an integer. Example, minus 5 plus 8 equals to 3 is an integer. Minus 4 plus minus 7 equals to minus 11 is an integer. Commutative law of addition. If a and b are any two integers, then a plus b equals to b plus a. Example, minus 5 plus minus 2 equals to minus 2 plus minus 5. Minus 7 equals to minus 7. Associative law of addition. If a, b, c are any three integers, then a plus b plus c equals to a plus b plus c. Example, consider the integers minus 4, minus 2 and plus 6. Brackets minus 4 plus minus 2 plus 6 equals to minus 4 plus brackets minus 2 plus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 equals to minus 4 plus 4. 0 equals to 0. Additive identity. 0 is called additive identity. If a is any integer, then a plus 0 equals to a, and then 0 plus a equal to a. Example, 0 plus 0, 8 plus 0 equal to 8. 0 plus minus 3 equals to minus 3. Additive inverse. The sum of an integer and its opposite is 0. Thus, if a is an integer, then a plus minus a equals to 0. A and minus a are called additive inverses of each other.
Successor and predecessor of an integer. A plus 1 is called the successor of A. A minus 1 is called the predecessor of A. Example, the successor of 16, that is 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. The successor of minus 9 is, that is minus 9 plus 1 is equal to minus 8. The predecessor of 14, that is 14 minus 1 is equal to 13. The predecessor of minus 23 is, that is minus 23 minus 1 is equal to minus 24.
Subtraction of integers on number line. Example, find the value of minus 8 minus of minus 10 using the number line. Solution, minus 8 minus of minus 10 is equal to minus 8 plus 10, as additive inverse of minus 10 is minus 10. On the number line, from minus 8 we will move 10 steps forwards right. If we move 10 steps, we reach at 2, thus minus 8 minus of minus 10 equals to 2.
How to subtract one integer from another? To subtract one integer from another, we have to add the additive inverse of the subtrahend. Thus, if a and b are two integers, then a minus b is equal to a plus minus b in brackets. For example, 1. Subtract minus 4 from minus 10. Minus 10 minus of minus 4 is equal to minus 10 plus additive inverse of minus 4 is equal to minus 10 plus 4 is equal to minus 6.
Properties of subtraction. Closure property. If a and b are integers, then a minus b is also an integer. If a is any integer, then a minus 0 equal to a. If a, b, c are integers, then a greater than b, then a minus c greater than b minus c.
Multiplication of integers. Rules. 1. To find the product of two integers with the same sign, we find the product of their values regardless of their signs and give a plus sign to the product. Example A. 4 into 5 equal to 20. B. minus 7 into minus 4 is equal to 28. To find the product of two integers with unlike sign, we find the product of their values regardless of their signs and give a minus sign to the product. Example A, minus 8 into 3 is equal to minus 24. B, minus 5 is into minus 6 is equal to minus 30.
Properties of multiplication. Closure property. The product of two integers is always an integer. Example, minus 14 into minus 5 equals to 70. Commutative law for a multiplication. For any two integers a and b, we have a into b equals to b into a. Example, minus 9 into 8 equals to 8 into minus 9. Minus 72 equals to minus 72. Associative law for multiplication. If a, b, c are any three integers, then a into b into c equals to a into b into c. Consider three integers minus 7, minus 5 and 2. A into b into c equals to a into b into c. Brackets minus 7 into minus 5 into 2 equals to minus 7 into brackets minus 5 into 2. 35 into 2 equals to minus 7 into minus 10. 70 equals to 70. Distributive law. If a, b, c are any three integers, then a into b plus c equals to a into b plus a into c. Consider the integers 4 minus 5 and minus 6. 4 into minus brackets minus 5 and plus minus 6 equals to 4 into minus 5 plus 4 into minus 6. 4 into minus 11 equals to minus 20 plus minus 24. Minus 44 equals to minus 44. Multiplicative property of 1. For any integer a, we have a into minus 1 equals to a. The integer 1 is called the multiplicative identity for integers. Example, minus 3 into 1 equals to minus 3. Multiplicative property of 0. For any integer a, we have a into 0 equals to 0.
Division of integers. Division of integers is the same as division of whole numbers. Example 1. 36 divided by minus 9. The symbols of both numbers are different, so the answer should start with the symbol minus 1. The quotient is 4. Answer is equal to minus 4.
Art in the next video.
Thank you.